The Chengdu J10c, also known as the Vigorous Dragon, is a Chinese single-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. Introduced in 2015, the J10c represents a significant advancement over its predecessors, incorporating modern avionics, improved stealth features, and enhanced combat capabilities. Design and performance. The J10c features a delta wing with canard foreplanes, providing excellent maneuverability and agility, particularly in dogfight scenarios. Its airframe incorporates composite materials to reduce weight and radar cross-section, contributing to its semi-stealth capabilities. Key specifications include length 16.9 meters, wingspan 9.8 meters, height 5.7 meters, maximum takeoff weight 19,277 kilograms, engine Ws10B afterburning turbofan producing up to 135 kilonewtons of thrust, maximum speed Mach 2.0 approximately 2,120 kilometers per hour, service ceiling 18,000 meters, combat radius 1,100 kilometers with external fuel tanks, ferry range 3,500 kilometers with external fuel tanks, thrust-to-weight ratio approximately 1.04 with full afterburner. Avionics and systems. The J10c is equipped with advanced avionics systems that enhance its combat effectiveness. ASA radar, an active electronically scanned array radar with a detection range exceeding 200 kilometers, allowing for simultaneous tracking of multiple targets and improved resistance to electronic countermeasures. Electronic warfare suite, enhanced electronic warfare capabilities for self-protection and mission effectiveness. Infrared search and track, allows passive detection of airborne targets, enhancing situational awareness. Glass cockpit, features a wide-angle head-up display, HUD, multifunctional displays, and hands-on throttle and stick, hot toss controls for improved pilot interface. Armament. The J10c's armament capabilities are versatile, supporting a wide range of missions. Internal cannon. 1x 23mm GSH-23-2 twin-barrel cannon. Hardpoints. 11. Including wingtip, underwing, and fuselage stations. Air-to-air missiles. Short range, PL-8, PL-10, medium/long range. Air-to-surface missiles, KD-88, J91A. Precision-guided munitions. Laser-guided bombs, satellite-guided bombs. Maximum payload, approximately 6,000 kilograms. Operational use and export. The J10c is currently in service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAIF, with over 240 units operational. It has also been exported to Pakistan, where it serves in the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, under the designation J10CE. Notably, the J10c has been reported to have participated in recent conflicts, demonstrating its combat capabilities. Comparison with Western counterparts. The J10c is often compared to Western fighter jets such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the Saab Gripen. While it shares similarities in size and role, the J10c distinguishes itself with its combination of advanced avionics, high maneuverability, and multi-role capabilities, making it a competitive option in the global arms market. Strengths of the J10c. Advanced avionics. Equipped with ASA radar, which provides superior tracking and targeting. Includes IRST, infrared search and track, for passive detection and stealth hunting. High maneuverability. Delta canard design and modern fly-by-wire system give it excellent agility, ideal for dogfighting. Multi-role capability. Can perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions effectively. Compatible with modern Chinese weapons like PL-10, PL-15, and precision-guided munitions. Cost-effective. Cheaper than Western 4.5 generation fighters like the Eurofighter Typhoon or F-16V, making it attractive for exports. Semi-stealth design. reduced radar cross-section due to airframe shaping and radar-absorbent materials, though not true stealth. Digital cockpit and EW suite. Glass cockpit with modern hot toss controls and a capable electronic warfare system for jamming and countermeasures. Weaknesses of the J10c. Single engine limitation. Less redundancy and potentially lower survivability compared to twin-engine fighters, example Su-35, F-15. Limited range. Combat radius, approximately 1,100 kilometers, is shorter than many Western counterparts, limiting endurance and strike depth without aerial refueling. Export restrictions. Limited to China's geopolitical partners, less trusted by many nations compared to US, EU, or Russian jets. Lack of true stealth. While low observable, it is not stealth on the level of fifth-generation aircraft like the F-35 or J-20. Reliance on Chinese tech. Some subsystems may lag behind Western or Russian equivalents in areas like sensor fusion and AI-based decision support.